Give me a good sneeze. A good sneeze. Thank you. Hi. Oh, are you showing me your lips? Okay, can you, Gunner, talk to Mama. Low. I need you to talk low. Easy. Talk easy. Easy. Tell me your day. Oh, was it that bad? Come on, tell me your day. Oh, really? Really? Loud? Roll over? No? Okay, talk a little more. You want that? Give me some lips. Can you do lips? Oh, all right. Hey. Can you say bye-bye? Can you talk? No. Can you talk one more time? Talk one more time? Yes. Can you talk some more? Talk. Can you talk some more? Are you getting frustrated? Yeah? What's the matter? Oh, is it that bad? Alright, this is what happens when you're bored and you're home all day. You turn your dog into a dork too. What? What? What are you telling me? What? Is it that bad? Is it that bad? I don't have any more treats. I don't know why you keep doing your trick. Oh, whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, what's the matter with the boy? Are you telling me? What? 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 No.